As he losing grip. Again, water check. You already gotta sit down with y'all. Let me show y'all a little something I started on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this right here is a screenplay called Unity Day. It's an NA inspired, Narcotics Anonymous inspired screenplay. Young male adult infiltrates the now like fake regime, and as far as it's like an espionage story, bro. Screenplay. Right. Listen, look. Get the fuck from Brown. I done had a revelation. Time to do some housekeeping, rearranging, crock season, biting down. Shoulders getting lighter now. I take the gears with the insides reptile. Yeah. Get the fuck around me. I'm a pack of pounds. Read everything you got me seeing shit that I'm not needing. Ain't no snow in sight. Yeah, if you think I'm cold even. I done had a revelation. Time to do some housekeeping, rearranging, crock season, biting down.